Hello guys, welcome on my channel, and today we have another session. Today Euro USD, as can be, they are not in best condition, but let's check what we can do if we put in, if we can put, for example, in here. Looks much better. 20% from this one. Looks like we are in the windy mode, but let's go. We'll put everything. Oh, okay. We put 116. Now waiting for the 80 grand in here, and in just few seconds, and looks good. Then you can see how quick you might make profit on this one. On this moment you already make over 16, around 10%. 160, 10% will be this. It will be 16 grand. In here you have 30, then basically 20% in just a couple of minutes of the trading. Then even starting with minimum 30 quid, you still have good profit of that. You can see those in this moment on the lowest one, that was 80 grand. I was just late about 2 seconds, 2-3 seconds something. Okay, but it's already break this in here on the 5-minute chart. Let's see how it looks on the 50 minutes, because that was quite resistance support in here, and we'll see how it will go properly. I jesteśmy jeszcze raz w podobnej tutaj pozycji, więc trzeba być ostrożnym teraz. Czekamy na moje 80 000. $74, 80. Ja, 52%, super.